Next up, the camera bunker door extraction that you can use as a scav on factory. I'm over here in this open area by gate 0 and the office area upstairs here. Just below it, we have this railing that overlooks a couple of big silos in this direction here. So assuming you're somewhere here, head across to the right and into this area. What we need to do is get underground here. The easiest way is by traveling down this short staircase here, then down this staircase right underneath the office area. We can only travel right, so we'll go right, then we'll carry on in this direction instead of turning off left towards the bottom of the silos here. You can also drop down into the silo area and run towards the offices to get into here, across in this direction, and right over here you'll notice a blinking camera. This is the camera door extract. Simply stand nearby and you'll be taken out of the map very quickly. It's super safe to get to as it's hidden away in the underground, though there could be other players lurking around and AI too. If we look at a map, here are the offices. Then I headed downstairs here to the tunnel section of the map, and zooming in on the tunnels here, we traveled down the stairs here and towards the camera bunker door exit down here. Down the stairs and into this area, we took a right straight down, and here's the camera bunker door. Of course, this is the exit that will take us to these 3 silos. It's very easy to get to. Anyways, 1 or 2 runs of factory, you should know where pretty much everything is. It's a nice and small map. Thank you all for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot. Hopefully you found this useful, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!